What if your apps could talk just like humans? Not just robotic responses, but real dynamic conversations. Welcome to Vapi, the future of voice AI. Vapi is revolutionizing voice AI. Whether you're developing customer support bots, virtual assistants, or AI-powered sales agents, Vapi gives you the tools to create smooth, natural conversations. No more frustrating robotic interactions. Vapi's AI understands context, tone, and intent, making conversations feel effortless. And the best part? It does this with lightning-fast response times, under 500 milliseconds. Speed is everything in real-time interactions. Vapi's turbo latency optimizations and WebRTC streaming make it one of the fastest voice AI platforms available today. Vapi isn't just powerful, it's incredibly easy to use. With Flow Studio, you can create custom voice interactions without writing a single line of code. Just drag, drop, and launch. Need to support multiple languages? No problem. Vapi speaks over 100 languages fluently, so your AI voice agent can communicate with users worldwide. Before Vapi, setting up voice AI was complex and expensive. Now, we can build and deploy voice agents in days instead of months. And when it comes to security, Vapi doesn't compromise. With enterprise-grade guardrails like HIPAA and SOC-2 compliance, your data is always safe. Scalability. Vapi can manage over 1 million concurrent calls. So whether you're a startup or an enterprise, it grows with you. Vapi is more than just voice AI, it's the future of human-computer interaction. Ready to build the next generation of voice experiences? Start today with Vapi. Subscribe now to stay ahead in AI, because the future is happening right now.